Do you know how to choose the right engine oil for your truck? My name is Vitor and I'm going to show you how to. With all the different oil options available, many drivers are left confused about which oil is best for their trucks. But we're here to guide you through this vital decision-making process. Let's get started. Engine oil provides the necessary lubrication to reduce friction, wear, and overheating in your engine. But not all oils are created equal, and the right choice can significantly enhance your truck's efficiency and longevity. The first step when choosing engine oil is understanding viscosity. Your truck's owner manual is your best friend in this process. It outlines the manufacturer's recommended oil type and viscosity, tailored to your truck's specific engine design and performance requirements. Adhering to these recommendations ensures optimal engine performance and can even extend the life of your truck. You can also use various online lubricant recommendation tools. These systems allow you to type in your exact truck make, model, and year to find the best engine oil. The type of oil needed depends on the number of factors, including the engine type, fuel type, and whether your truck has an exhaust after-treatment system. Selecting the appropriate engine oil is crucial to ensure your vehicle operates reliably and efficiently. These two tips eliminate any doubts, and you don't have to remember any engine oil specifications. Keep following Valvoline for more expert advice on truck maintenance and care.